it's me, Ice. I want to do a quick video. So my items from Herb and Eden just arrived. I got a few new items and I have one item from them that should be here like this week, but it's just like 2 turmeric bars that help with, like, you know, hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to be using that for my face. So I'm excited to use that. Here are some of the items that I got from Herb and Eden. So this one's new. I went ahead and got the Herb and Eden 100% natural lip scrub. So this is what it looks like, and compared to my hands, this is what it looks like. And inside you can see the scrub. It smells like vanilla and it smells really good, so I'll be using that tonight because I'm overdue of a lip scrub. Next item that I got, I had to restock. This is my 3rd bottle. This is the Herb and Eden body oil lemongrass and patchouli. This is the biggest size they have. This is 8 ounce. This is the biggest size they have, and I use this after I take a shower. It smells so good, and I love lemon. And you're gonna smell like lemon. Your clothes will smell like lemon, and every time I wash my clothes I smell this, and it lasts so long and it smells so good, and your skin will be hydrated. Drops here, you'll be glistening and you're gonna smell so good. So this is lemongrass and patchouli. You're gonna be glistening compared to like this arm looks dry. This is like absolutely beautiful. And it smells so good. I love this. Will like wake you up. This smells so nice. So this one, I'll link everything down below, but again, this is the lemongrass and patchouli body oil. Next item I have is their 8 ounce body scrub. Again, I got lemon and patchouli. This is my first one of this scent, and when I open it, it looks like chia seeds are in here. I don't know if you could see it like moving around on the top here. Looks like chia seeds, but it's not. This is my favorite body scrub from them because it will definitely make your skin feel like a baby's bottom when you scrub your body with it. I would recommend, like on a reset, like a Sunday reset, like scrubbing your body with this will clean your surface area on your body. You'll feel so smooth. I've never felt anything so good in a while. This feels amazing on your skin, and you'll definitely feel very refreshed. So this is the biggest one on their website. On the body scrub, they have different scents. I'll link this one down below. This one is 8 ounce. I highly recommend this body scrub from Herb and Eden. This is amazing. Last one is their whipped body butter. From the last video you saw, I used that. I'm like almost done with that little sample size that I got for the holiday, so I went ahead and invested in more of a bigger one. This is the cedarwood and sage. I love earthy scents. Again, it's whipped, so this is like a whipped texture, if you could see it. It's gonna melt like oil into your skin, and it smells amazing. I'm so looking forward to using this. And again, this is their biggest size. They have different scents. This one is in an 8 ounce glass jar here. They got other scents, like I said, and you'll smell so good. This is my favorite body butter by Herb and Eden. Okay, you guys, this was just a quick video on these new items that I will be using tonight. So guys, please check them out. They are great. Black owned business from Georgia, and they help me improve my skin. They help me improve my, you know, my hygiene by using more natural products. So guys, be sure to check them out on their website. I should have a discount code with them. It is Ice Loves Beauty. I'm hoping it works. If not, please let me know. But other than that, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.